Hey there! Today, we're diving into the world of artificial intelligence. These platforms offer incredible capabilities, from generating creative text to providing informative answers. Let's get started. Here are some of the best AI websites that are free to use. Number 1 is ChatGPT. At the number 1 spot, we have ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI. This powerful language model is known for its ability to engage in conversations that are both informative and entertaining. Whether you need help with writing essays, translating languages, or simply having a casual chat, ChatGPT is your go-to AI companion. It can provide summaries of factual topics, create stories, and even write different kinds of creative text formats, such as poems or scripts. Image generation feature is not available for free version, however. If you want to upgrade it, then it will generate images too. Number 2 is Google Bard AI. Coming in at number 2 is Google Bard AI. This AI chatbot from Google is designed to provide comprehensive and informative responses to a wide range of prompts. Bard is excellent at summarizing factual topics, translating languages, and writing different kinds of creative text formats. It's also a great tool for brainstorming ideas and getting different perspectives on various subjects. This AI tool can generate images too, but it cannot provide the complicated images as it is currently in learning stage. 3. Leonardo AI. Last but not least, we have Leonardo AI. This AI platform specializes in generating high-quality images and art. Simply provide a text description, and Leonardo AI will create stunning visuals based on your prompt. It's a fantastic tool for artists, designers, and anyone looking to explore their creativity. Whether you need inspiration for a new project or want to create unique artwork, Leonardo AI has you covered. IT provides us daily with some points that can be used to generate images and used to create motion for images. However, it is not completely free, but these points are almost enough for daily tasks. Otro. These are just a few examples of the amazing things you can do with these free AI websites. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more exciting developments in the field of artificial intelligence. So, go ahead and explore these platforms and see how AI can enhance your productivity, creativity, and learning.